Hello, this is Jen. Welcome to Simple Chinese Lesson. And today we're going to talk about a sensitive topic, how to ask the age of a Chinese. It may sound a bit embarrassing, but in fact, it's a very common question in China. Most Chinese don't mind being asked about their age, and they also ask about it. Maybe for younger generations, age is more sensitive than the age generation of their parents, especially for females who may find it a bit uncomfortable. So be sure about the context and the way you present the question. That's why we have this lesson. There are 3 typical ways to ask about the age, depending on your respondent. For children, for example, we usually ask, 你几岁了? 你 means you. 几 refers to small numbers from 0 to 10, just like the Polish word kilka. So this question is for kids or for teenagers. 岁 means age or years. So we ask, 你几岁了? 你几岁了? For elders, we would be more polite. We would ask in this way, 您多大年纪? 您 is the more respectful way of 你, means you. 多大 means how old. It could refer to all the numbers. 年纪 is another way referring to age or years, but more polite. 您多大年纪? 您多大年纪? Then the third way, for all the other people, we simply ask, 你多大了? Now let's listen to a recording. 我叫 Christine， 今年23岁，我是英国人。我家有5个成员，爸爸、妈妈、哥哥，还有猫。
你哥哥多大了？
他今年26岁。
那你爸爸妈妈多大年纪呢？
我爸爸56岁，妈妈55岁。
你的猫叫什么名字？几岁了？
我的猫叫 Rice， 刚刚3岁。Apart from these standard ways to ask about the age, in reality, we have some indirect ways to ask the question, especially to some women, to make it sound not that rude. For example, we may ask, 你哪一年的? or 你是哪一年的? which means which year you were born. Then the person may answer, 我79年的. That means I was born in 1979. Okay, now you can do the calculation. This year is 2025, and she was born in 1979. How old is she? 46. So she is 46 years old. 她46岁了。And I also remember when I was younger, in rural China, there's another popular way to ask about the age of your fellow. For example, 你属什么的? 我属鸡。你呢? 我属羊。Oh, now I know you are 2 years older than me. Why? Congratulations, you are coming to the mysterious world of zodiac. The answer is, Yang is 2 years earlier than Ji in zodiac. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like the lesson. If you do like it, please don't forget to click below to subscribe it and to check out many of our other programs. Bye!